Step number 1, users visit your page and click a link. They see ads on any intermediate pages. You will earn money on every ad display. This website will allow you to monetize your website and any links that you share. So you don't need to sell anything. You don't need to do affiliate marketing. You don't need to do surveys. You don't need to click on links unlimited times or any of those weird tricks that only pay a couple of cents. This is a brand new website that is paying anywhere between 5 cents and $5 per click depending on your country. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset channel. I've quickly come up with in this video a brand new strategy using a couple of websites actually to make money online, not only through monetizing your website and links, but I'm going to show you a way how you can get thousands of people to click on these links and get hundreds of dollars per day, not only through just clicking these links, but I'm going to show you a great way to make thumbnails on YouTube to get a very high click-through rate and a lot of clicks through your links. And it's a great little strategy that I've put together to actually build quite a big business online, as you can actually make money through this website over here through people just clicking on your links. It's brand new. It's not like those other websites that hardly pay, and you can actually also make money through YouTube at the same time. But before I get straight into that, here I've got an entire Udemy for passive income bullet course that I paid $97 for you completely for free in this video. All you need to do is leave a like, subscribe to this channel with the bell on, comment down below that you're ready, and then go to the link in the description. You'll see the link to this course where you can get it sent to your email. So without further ado, make sure to go and do that. In every video from now on, I'm going to be doing giveaways to help you guys out. All right, I quickly want to show you guys something over here. It's a brand new channel actually doing this. Now, I wanted this to be realistic. I'm not going to go and show you some channel with like 1 million subscribers and views, because obviously you haven't got that. It doesn't make sense to make a video about that. But this is someone that has just created a channel 3 weeks ago. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this. You're not actually going to make your own videos or make your own content or speak on camera or do anything like that. You can actually make a lot of money with YouTube. I know those of you, or there are those of you out there that really don't like YouTube. You seem to have this thing against YouTube, but YouTube is one of the best ways to build a business online. And you can actually go down below to the link in the description to this channel where you can actually go and download their content. As long as you credit them, you can do that with anyone on YouTube. You can download their videos, use them on TikTok or Instagram, wherever, as long as you credit them. So over here is a channel that creates these 1 hour long sleeping ocean waves music videos, or like, you know, these like calm videos with the sea and any stock kind of videos. But now there's something that this channel is missing, and they are actually missing out on a lot of money. You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need 4,000 watch hours. You can actually make a lot of money off just 11, 12 views. First of all, this video that only got 11 views has got already close to 10 hours watch time, simply because the video is over 1 hour long. So these kind of channels are super easy to get monetized, and this type of content does get monetized. But make sure to keep watching, because I'm still getting to the important stuff, guys. I'm just getting started. It's important to watch what I'm about to show you if you really want to succeed at this. So the next step is you want to come over to canva.com. Just come over to the search bar over here, type in YouTube or anything with YouTube, click on YouTube thumbnail over here. What you want to do is you want to choose something that looks relaxing or that's got to do with nature. So over here you can see there's quite a nice picture of the beach over here, but this is not what we're going to do. We're going to create a blank new thumbnail over here, and you'll see it'll open up a blank new theme page over here for you to design a thumbnail. The next thing you want to do is come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal it in a bit, but this is a database where you can get tons of pictures such as forests, spas, calming pictures for you to use for thumbnails, content, you name it, Instagram thumbnails, TikTok thumbnails. They have a really nice variety of different niches of unlimited content for you to use without license issues. It's all license free, available for you to use. So you want to search on the search bar, for example, let's just go nature. We want to find something in nature that is quite calming. Okay, all of these pictures are portrait, so I just want to go orientation and go horizontal over here. You want a landscape picture that's horizontal. So over here, let's go, for example, I actually really like this one, this mountain view over here with the little lady running in the field of flowers. It looks quite calming. It suits this. So we're going to download this to our PC. It's super easy. So now once that's downloaded, by the way, this website is called pexels.com. Make sure to go to pexels.com and download these images, but make sure to keep watching, because this part is really important in terms of putting this together. This is only one of the first 3 steps complete. You want to come back to Canva, and you want to click on the Uploads tab over here. You want to click on Upload Media, click on Device, and over here, if I upload that same picture that I've just downloaded, it will take a couple of seconds. We now want to drag this into Canva like this. And all you want to do is just open this up until it's opened into a full screen like that. You want to open up the text tab over here. You want to add a heading, and you want to type the following: download here. You just want to make this text white over here. You can see it's now white text. You want to download this or drag this download text to the bottom of the page over here. Just come over to elements over here and look for an arrow. So if I go over to shapes, there should be something like an arrow or something. Or let's just search, for example, arrow over here. This is perfect. We can use this free arrow over here. We just want to rotate this to make it look like it's the download button. So we just want to go like that. And you want to have that arrow over here. So the whole point of this is we want to make a thumbnail where we can actually have our video available for download, because this is where we're going to cash in on tons of monetization clicks and tons of money online. So once this is done, download this to your PC and save this in a folder on your PC. The next step is we need to go and download a free video editing software. So I personally use this one over here, but it is a paid one. That's why I'm going to give to you this free tool over here. All you need to do is just go down below to the first link in the description, or one of the links in the description. It'll be the download link to this video editing software over here. So I already have this downloaded on my PC that I'm going to show you what you need to do to put this together to get tons of clicks and monetizations on the specific link that we're going to make. Make sure to keep watching, because this is where the magic is going to happen. Alright, so over here you can see is this new video editing software that I just downloaded and installed. That's the link in the description down below. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to minimize this quickly. I'm going to come back to pixels. You want to keep this nature term search, but you now want to click on videos and you want to download about, I would say, 5 to 10 different videos. So this one over here is perfect. I'm just going to download this to my PC. Let's just close this. This one over here is perfect. I'm going to free download this to my PC, and this one over here is a free download to my PC. So now all of these videos have downloaded to my PC over here. You can see some of them are longer, some of them are shorter, but it's tons of free content. You can see if I can scroll down forever and ever for you to use. So let me just scroll back to the top, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my video editing software over here. Now we need to drag all of these videos onto our timeline on our video editing software. So you can see if I play this, it's just free video content that's now playing. But now there's another thing that we need to go and do. We need to open up the YouTube audio library. So over here we can get tons of copyright free songs and playlists that we can use in different moods, genres, and you can filter by artists as well. So all I'm going to do is you're just going to go for the search for the filter button over here. You're going to type on mood over here and you want to click on calm. So I'm going to click apply. Over here, you can see tons of calm songs. So I'm going to use, for example, let's use lights, let's use simple, and let's use two moons. And what you want to do is you want to download probably about an hour worth of songs that we can put together in this program that we've now downloaded over here. And I'm going to drag these two songs that I've just now downloaded onto my PC. So over here, you can see if I just put this over here and move this one across, take a look at this. You can see I've made quite a cool video with this like calming beat song with all these music clip videos. Now what you want to do is you want to save this to your PC as a video. So you can highlight it just like this. So let me just highlight this video. I just click on File, Render over here, Render As. I usually select 1080p, 27 fps or 29 fps, and I just usually name this file, for example, my final clip, and I'll click on Render over here. And now this video is saving to my PC. Once this video is saved to your PC like this, you can see here is my final clip over here. You want to come over to drive.google.com over here. Come over to drive.google.com. Create a new folder. I just created a folder called YouTube 2. Drag this video onto drive.google.com. It will take probably a couple of minutes to upload, so I'll be back once this is done. Once this is uploaded to drive.google.com, right click on your video and you want to click on Get Link over here. It's going to click on Restricted over here, click on anyone with the link. This is where the magic is going to happen. Copy this drive.google link over here. I want you to come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal it just in a bit. Make sure to keep watching. Click on the join button over here. Enter your name, email, and password. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this, where you can shorten the link. Right click, paste your long Google Drive link over here, and you want to click on shorten over here. Here you can see is your shortened URL. Now this is the link where you will get paid per click and every person that clicks on this video. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to YouTube, click the upload button over here. So I'm just going to click on upload video. You first of all want to upload this video to YouTube. So let's just copy it over here. We can just drag it onto this page, or you can come over to this channel, which is a new example that I'm just using because it's a channel that's also started with this. You can go and download some of these videos. I'll leave a link to this channel down below. Definitely give them a follow or something and just give them credit for their videos as well. And then for example, I can go use this one over here. You can click on it. You can literally copy this title over here, use this as your title over here. So I'm just going to click on paste over here. And what you want to do is, this is where the magic happens. Download this hour-long video here. You can have like a little arrow or something, or even just a little colon. Come back to this website over here with your short link. So I'm just going to copy the short link again, and I'm going to come back to my channel over here where I'm busy uploading this video, and you want to paste this link. And now what you want to do is you want to upload your thumbnail that you've now created. So the download here thumbnail. So the thing is, what people will see on YouTube is that it's just taking some time to load. When their video pops up on their feed, they will see a download here text on the thumbnail. So people are going to click on that because they want to download the videos, maybe to not watch ads or to install that song on their phone or something so they can watch it offline without using Wi-Fi or data. So that's the whole idea behind this. You want to start a channel in the meditation, sleep, relax niche. Get a good little icon going with maybe some channel banners, and you want to upload once a day, twice a week, or 3 times a week. Keep a fixed schedule, and the best part is you can actually get monetized as well. So not only you can make money through ad revenue, and remember these channels pay a lot of money because it's hour-long plus videos. You can fit lots of ads in between them, and you can get tons of clicks, downloads on these videos over here. And just as a quick bonus for you guys is another tool over here where you can enter a keyword. So you can go, for example, type in this tool, meditation music. It will generate for you a done for you title, done for you tags, done for you description that you can copy and paste into your video, and you can upload that to YouTube as is, and it will rank on the #1 page of Google and YouTube for that term meditation music. So you will get tons of views, tons of clicks, and also tons of ad revenue down the line. So I definitely recommend a tool like this. It's called videomarketingblaster.com. And also another thing, if you guys want to get exclusive access inside and a free training on the Drop Servicing Expert University, go to the first link. This is the first link in the description. You can get an entire free training. I have a whole video explaining to you what is inside this course, what you're going to get, and a whole exclusive insight into the back end of this university. So make sure to go to the first link in the description. You can click on show me what's inside. You can enter your name and email, and that will all be sent to your email over there, which from there you'll get exclusive access inside to the Drop Servicing University and a free training on that. So make sure to click on the first link in the description, and I'll see you there.